Fix printer won't print on Windows PC. Okay, here's a step-by-step tutorial to help you fix a printer that just won't print on a PC running Windows. We'll go through the most common causes, from basic checks to driver issues, and even print spooler problems. So first, ensure the printer is powered on. Look for power lights or maybe a display screen. If you don't see any lights, check the power cable and the outlet just to be sure. Next, check the printer connection. If you've got a USB printer, make sure the cable is plugged into both your PC and the printer. Nice and snug. If you're using a wireless printer, make sure it's connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. And for a network printer, you'll want to ensure it's visible on your network. Finally, check for error messages on the printer. Sometimes low ink, paper jams, or out-of-paper errors may stop printing altogether. Now press the Windows and R keys together, type Ctrl and press Enter. Go to Devices and Printers. Then right-click your printer and select Set as Default Printer. Go ahead and try printing again. Alright, next step, press Windows and R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Print Spooler. Right-click it and click Restart. Once that's done, try printing again. Okay, so first, press the Windows and I keys together to open up your settings. Then, head over to System, choose Troubleshoot, and click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Printer in the list, and then just click Run. After that, simply follow the on-screen instructions to detect and fix any issues that pop up. Next, press Windows and R, type in devimgmt.msc and hit Enter. Now expand the Printers section. Right-click your printer and select Uninstall Device. Go ahead and disconnect your printer. After a moment, reconnect it. Windows should automatically reinstall the driver for you. Or if you'd rather, you can visit your printer manufacturer's website to download the latest driver manually. Alright, so first, head over to Control Panel and select Devices and Printers. Then just double-click on your printer. If you notice any stuck print jobs, go ahead and click Printer, then choose Cancel All Documents. After that, restart your PC and try printing again. Next up, go to Settings and select Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates. Be sure to install any pending updates since they might include important fixes or drivers. Now, if the printer still won't print, try printing from a different application. If you have another PC available, give that a shot too. Also, check your firewall or antivirus settings, since they could rarely block print communication. And if nothing else works, reset the printer to factory settings. Just check your manual or the manufacturer's website for instructions. If you'd like, I can tailor steps for specific printer brands like HP, Canon, Epson, or Brother. Just tell me the model.